Can't log into your Netflix account on your iPhone? Here's how you can fix it in a few simple steps, whether it's a password, app, or network issue. Solution 1. Check credentials. Open the Netflix app, then tap Sign In. Now, let's say you were trying to sign in, but you had some problems here. Make sure caps lock isn't on. Also, tap on the eye icon inside the password box to actually show the password you're typing. Sometimes a mistake in the credentials is the true culprit. So, be sure to enter the correct email and password. Solution 2. Check internet connection. Swipe down from the top of your screen. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi and mobile data. Open Safari or YouTube to test your connection if it's slow or stuck. Solution 3. Offload Netflix app. Open your iPhone settings, then find and open General. Now go to iPhone storage, find the Netflix app from here and tap on it. Tap Offload app. Then tap Reinstall. See if that fixes the problem. If you're facing this problem on your browser, you can offload your browser as well. Solution 4. Check Netflix servers. Go to a browser, type down Detector Netflix. Open the first link. So here you can check if there have been any recent server outages on Netflix. If you see something, then wait a day or two before trying to sign up again. Hopefully the problem will be fixed. Solution 5. Try web login. Open a browser, then search for Netflix login. Now try to log in using the website of Netflix. If you can sign in there, the issue is likely the app. You should reinstall it, and that should hopefully fix your problem. And that's it. One of these steps will fix the login problem on your iPhone. Hope this guide helps you out, and I'll see you in the next video.